I told you we keep hunting for 2025 new toolings, and this time we are going to apply our little Scalemates filter hack on Eduard, and we are going to check what we already know about the planned new toolings of Eduard in 2025. Let's go. So Eduard here, they also have, similar to ClearProp or other brands, of course, different type of kits. Now, of course, they also have the photo edge, accessories, and a lot of other stuff. The big Ed here, the big Sin parts and stuff like that. Okay, but what I want to show you here is they got like the weekend edition kits. So here is a nice weekend kit, a weekend edition of the BF109. And when we quickly check here, there are, of course, plastic parts, 4 marking options, no PE parts, no painting masks, and no resin parts. And here we have an example of a Profi Pack kit. It contains the plastic parts, of course, 6 marking options, pre-painted PE parts, and a painting mask. No resin parts. These ones are a bit costlier than the weekend edition. And they have these Royal class kits. These are strictly limited. At the moment, there is none up for sale in the Eduard shop. It's like discontinued, sold out, they're not even appearing. So I'm showing you this one here quickly. The Royal class dual combo, they are the most costliest one. They contain something like, the spruce, of course, a lot of spruce, clear parts and gray parts, photo etched fret, resin parts, decal sheet, masking sheet, collectibles, instructions, multicolored instructions and stuff. Like they are fully packed. These are the Royal class kits. And I did see this here, News February products were just added into our online store. See the complete list under this link. Let's check the link. So these are the new products for February. Like Eduard is always having these monthly reveals. And of course, there's the P40E Warhawk. And this is one of those Royal class kits. You see, it costs almost 90 euro. It is in 148 and it's a dual combo kit. You can build 2 P40 in 148 scale. It's discontinued. This was, I think, the first release of 2025, or I think it was in 2025. P40E Warhawk in 148 scale. It's discontinued. Let's quickly check the box content. So, yeah, these are the ones like, it has 12 different marking options. Like the P51 that I showed you, it has like 14 marking options or something. Pre-painted PE parts, painting masks, resin parts, exhaust, 1 type main, undercarriage wheels, 2 types, seats with molded harness, 2 types, masking insert of the main wheel wells, OMA mask, there's a poster included, and a magnet sticker with the P40 theme. So this is really a collectible. This is like a collectible item maybe. Alright, before you get all excited for the new planned releases of Eduard for 2025, please do not forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We made a deal the last time, right? The next time you'll watch the Rusty Scale show, you'll subscribe, so you know what to do. Alright, let's go. New releases 2024-2025 of Eduard. We will of course focus on the 2025 new toolings. It starts with the P40M Warhawk. It's only equipped with new parts, but I want to show you this quickly. They lay down the product line here. This is the one we just saw. That's discontinued, the Royal class. They already released this with new parts. So they're not wasting any time, huh? Okay, let's go back. Then January, we have new Mustangs. These are equipped with new parts. Then P40E Warhawk, the limited edition dual combo. Model set. Again, what is this now? How many PE40? That's another one, a model set that they release of this Royal Class one, which is the new tooling of 2025. So it's like the new tooling is there. January is just finished. They already have the new tooling and 2 new versions with like of the new tooling. They really like they're working their ass off, I have the feeling. There's a BF109G with new parts, FW190A3, new decals, Wildcat Weekend Edition with new parts, Messerschmitt BF109, new decals, Warhawk N full kit in 148. That's another version of this one, huh? My God, man. New box, new decal, new parts, new parts, new parts, new parts. They released this like 5 times. And another one. That's another one. Royal Class kit with new parts. Good. Very long range. Tales of 2 Jima. That's with new decals. There's a re-release. Limited dual combo of the Gustav Part 4 with new parts. Kamikaze Tokotai. That's for the A6 M5 Zeros that they have planned. I think they will shortly release these. The Zeros here. They come with new parts. And here we have one. P51B Mustang in 132 scale. New tool 2025. So it's not out yet. This is just a nice picture from a beamer, a projector or something. So future 2025 new tool. It's like in 132 scale, full kit. They had the Mustang in 148. Last year, the complete new tooling in 172 scale. The other Royal Class one, the red one, we just have had a look. And now the P51D Mustang is coming in 132 scale. Here we have some Overtrees, new box, F5E Tiger 2 with new parts, limited edition, full kits. Yeah, let's check it. Let's check it. Oh, okay, this is really like an older one. The line goes way back, but here we have a new one. The Albatross D3 in 172 scale, 2025 new tool. To be announced. It's a full kit in the second quarter of 2025. Beautiful. I love the Albatross, man. D3, Albatross D3. In 172 scale, it will be small in 172 scale. These World War I aircraft are quite small in 172 scale. Product timeline, new tooling. That's great, man. That's great. I love this. Look at the nose, man. Just the shape is nice. I'm looking forward for this. Then we have another one. 2025 new tool, the MiG-15. I think this is already like locked in here in Scalemates quite a while because I remember having this in last year's video already announced for 2025. A MiG-15. In 148 scale. So, the MiGs, I think it's really a comeback of the MiG. Different MiGs. It's a mix of different MiGs. Okay, MiG-15, 148 scale, full kit in 2025. The fagot, yeah, whatever. New tool. It looks great. I just like this. Nice. In 148. Then the P40E Warhawk with new decals. That's another version. We saw it on the timeline before. And here we go with another new tool that was already announced quite a while ago. The U87 Stuka. Again in 148 scale. Very strange renderings here. I don't know exactly what this should really represent. I mean, yeah. Nice photo in the museum. That's a Stuka here. So Eduard, U87 Stuka in 148. Der Sturzkampfbomber. And here we go with another MiG. I told you it's the year of the MiG. Okay, MiG-21F-13. Again in 148 scale. 2025 new tool. Limited edition. This one here. Check this out. Some renderings. I can't read any of this. I think it's Czech. Czechish. Now look at this. Was somehow presented in 2024, these renderings here. Cool stuff. MiG-21. Future. Full kit in 148 scale. Is there any... No, there is no hint. But we already have a hint here what will be in the box. Plastic sprues, decal sheet, booklet, instructions, something, okay. Nothing nothing special. And 2 reboxes already planned. I told you, they don't lose any more. They don't lose any time anymore. MiG-21 in 148 scale. And to be honest, I already knew about the MiG-21 because 1 week ago, Eduard Models posted this here on Instagram as a new release for this fall. So there's the hint. The MiG-21 will only come in this fall. So we are preparing a 148 scale model kit of the MiG-21 F-13 jet aircraft. 3D model of the kit clearly shows the design of the parts for the installation of the fuselage cannon, which is visible under the open air brake, the cockpit assembly, landing gear details, and the rear section of the aircraft with jet nozzle assembly. Additional renders provide a preview of the preparation for individual injection molds. Here are some more renderings. This looks fantastic, eh? Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Great stuff. I don't know what this was. Eduard also posted about those zeros, like the zero kit that they are going to release in April. 148 Zero Fighter. Dual combo kit. Yeah, it's another dual combo kit. This kit will include 1 set of sprues for the A6M5. Type 52 and 1 set for the 2-seater aircraft A6M2K Type 11. This is the Kamikaze Tokotai, dedicated to the memory of the Zero pilots. Here we have some sprues, wing parts for the April release. So they announced this, and limited edition, also new to what? And here, this, I'm not quite sure what to make out of this. 2-seater Zero. Some of the molds and electrodes for the 148 A6M2K Type 11 for April, limited edition. Kamikaze Tokotai. My God, that will include also new tool. 148 A6M5 Zero Type 25. New tool. So they say this is a new tool. The Zeros. We have no new tool here. That's Kamikaze Tokotai. Future. I mean, that's not... New parts. New parts 24. New parts 25. Okay, I don't know exactly which new tool in 148 A6M5 Zero Type 52 are. Zero Type 52. We don't know if it's a 52. And to wrap this up, underneath the MiG-21, we have the Avia S-199, the Messerschmitt Bf-109 with new parts, and the MiG-21 with new parts. Another MiG. MiG-21 in 172 scale. Is this? Yeah, this is an older one. Okay. Yeah. Let's go all the way. 2018. Not that old, actually. So in 148 scale, for sure, there will be the MiG-21, a U-87 Stuka, and the MiG 15, I believe. Yes, 15. All in 148 scale. And in 132 scale, we will get a Mustang P51B and the Albatros D3 in 172 scale. So already 5 great kit announced of Eduard for 2025. And we know Eduard, right? We know Eduard. They have the monthly reveals. They do announcings in the future, like ahead. But sometimes they really just push in some release like 1 or 2 months before it comes out. They are working their ass off because besides the kits, they have all these accessory stuff as well. Anyway, I told you 2025 will be a good year when it comes to new scale modeling tools. Don't you think so? Which one is your favorite of these Eduard kits that we have like revealed? Please leave a comment. Let us know down in the comment section. And as always, man, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.